Alright, gonna make a quick video here. I'm building a custom windshield for Kawasaki KRX or any side-by-side. So what I wanted was like a half windshield, but that actually came up halfway. All the ones they sell only come up like a third or less, quarter, very little. So I ordered this piece of Lexan polycarbonate off of eBay for like 70 bucks. It's like a dark tint. You can see how dark that is. You can see through it, but it's dark tinted. And we're going to shape it to fit the KRX. Now, I might take a little bit of height off it because it does look a bit tall. What I'm going to do, I think, is trace out. I have a glass windshield from EMP. And I might trace the bottom of that to get a curve in those hole locations. And yeah, I think we're going to do that and cut it out. I have just some clamps, some hose clamps with the rubber on them to mount on the upper arms right there. I might also put like a 1/2 inch bend on the top, kick some of the air up, but we'll have to see what kind of height we're working with once I get it trimmed up. But yeah, just want to start this video. I have special jigsaw blades to cut it. I don't have a jigsaw, but might be able to make something work. If not, pick up one from work tomorrow and figure it out. But yeah, it should be a cool video. Should have less than 80 bucks into it. Hopefully it works out well. So, 1/4 inch, nice thick windshield. So we'll see how it goes. But I want to make a video just in case. Alright, so I have my EMP glass windshield. I pulled the weather stripping off and I traced the line on the bottom edge. So I think I'm going to start there. Because that's definitely where it's going to sit. And I'll just take this edge just kind of off like that for now, and this edge kind of just off like that for now until we figure out how it looks on the windshield itself. So I think that's all I'm gonna do is cut that, see if figure out a good way to cut it and try that. And if not, oh well. But I think it'd be a good try. So we're gonna start there. Alright, so this is how it's going. It's not going great, it's kind of ugly, but this will be the bottom side, so I'm not super worried. Using the Milwaukee Dremel with a cutoff wheel. It's kind of getting clogged up when it gets hot, but it is cutting really good. Like, I don't know, I trust the process. This is gonna come off. It'd be nice, but right now it kind of looks like crap. So we'll see. I don't know. I'm too impatient to wait for a jigsaw, so we're just gonna do this, see what happens. Alright, so I got the bottom trimmed out. I'll put that weather stripping in. Now I just gotta figure out how I'm gonna match the edge of that cage. Not 100% sure I'm gonna do that. So I guess I need it to sit all the way in. So I'll take a marker on the inside of this cage right here. And maybe I'll do that. I think I'll put the holes in the bottom first though, so we locate it and it goes back to the same spot every time. I think I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna check the height too. It's a little tall, I think, but we'll see. All right, here we go. Got the sides trimmed up. A little bit of mess up there, but we'll clean it up. I think it looks pretty good. I'm gonna have to straighten this out. I just cooked my Dremel, so I have to use the other tool, try and smooth it out. But I think it looks good. So we're gonna drill the holes. I drilled one already. We're gonna smooth this corner and drill the other one, and see how it looks. All right, there we go. Finished product. Well, not finished product, but that's how it's gonna look. So I didn't trim the top yet. I might leave it like that for now. I'm gonna put an extra set of clamps on here, and I gotta trim up these edges. This one's not bad. It's got some debris still on it. This one's not straight, so it's got a little bit of curve in it. So I'm gonna try and straighten that out. But overall, looks killer. Let's see what it looks like from inside. Oh, nice and dark. About halfway up but still can easily see through it. So I'm thrilled. So I'll do a final video when I get all trimmed up and finished. But so far it looks sick. Now I might have to do a top banner or visor on it because I think it looks so cool. All right, we'll take some pictures, see how it looks. But yeah, good for now. All right, I think this looks sick from right here. Got the mirror because it's all clean. I know it's not gonna stay that clean, but I think it looks good all blacked out compared to like a clear windshield. Got a second set of clamps on. Might even do a third set, but this 1/4 inch is very sturdy. Might do some foam and some other touches, some weather stripping at the bottom. Still gotta clean up the edge, but I'll run up the road, see how it looks. Alright, just want to wrap up the video on the windshield I made. So you got done with stainless hardware. Didn't get that bend we tried, but it was too thick, so I couldn't put a bend in it. But you can see a nice 3/4 look on it with the tinted. I think it looks really good. Blocks a lot of air and all the mud and shit. So far, very happy. Got about 70 bucks into it. And does better than the little half ones that Tusk sells. They're like down to there. So like the setup. Testing the KRX today, first time out. So hopefully it goes good. But yeah, gonna keep playing around, cut some trails, and we'll keep going. So thanks for watching the video on that. Check out the video. Got a trailer video, Tahoe videos. We'll be doing more videos on this. You can see got some of the stuff. Got the new tailgate on. Oh, that was pretty cool. So, I got the flag, net on. I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna get riding, and thanks for watching. See you later.